So I've just had my conservatory roof insulated.
Hi, I used Conservatory Installations UK for a number of reasons.
Conservatory Installations.
Conservatories Installations UK.
Conservatory Installations.
We went with Conservatory Installations UK.
Insulated by Conservatory Installations UK.
During the summer, we've got to have all the doors and all the windows open because it's far too hot. During the winter, we really can't use it because it's far too cold.
The typical conservatory issues of too cold in the winter and unbearable in the summer, particularly last summer.
It was always too hot to sit in the summer and too cold to use in the winter.
Couldn't use it in the winter months. It was too hot in the summer. And obviously it was really loud when it was raining.
The conservatory is too hot in the summer and too cold in the winter, and also the noise of the rain.
I actually found Conservatory Installations via a Google search, funnily enough.
I was sceptical about this company. I hadn't heard of them but from a Google search, but I contacted them.
I came across Conservatory Installations on Facebook.
I found an advert on Facebook.
We found Conservatory Installations UK from Facebook after searching for various companies.
I contacted them through Facebook, which is where I found an advert.
Really pleased that they came in 3 days, started early, got everything that they needed to do away. A very, very clean, professional job. The finish is absolutely fantastic.
The two guys came on the day, the time agreed. Were very clean, were very tidy, very professional, and did the work in the morning. We also had the rear side window done because it overlooked our conservatory, our neighbour's conservatory, and it was just not very pleasant, so we had that insulated as well.
The service was excellent. The fitters were friendly and cheerful, but most importantly, quick, efficient and tidy. Everything was cleaned up at the end and taken away. Conservatory Installations were very good at communicating with us.
On the Wednesday, Dave and Will came up and did a superb job, completing it in about 4 hours in the afternoon. And the guys were really knowledgeable. They'd done a really good quality job. It looked fantastic. And they were really great. In and out, no mess. They cleared up after them. Told me, gave me some recommendations about light clusters and how the thing was going to look, and really reassured me before they even started work that, you know, these were the right people.
I cannot highly recommend them enough. Really, really efficient, great price, and yes, there's not much more to say. Looking around, it's sealed. It's so quiet.
We went with Conservatory Installations UK because they were good value for money and had good reviews. Luke and Carl came down on the Wednesday after us booking the job on a Monday and did an amazing job, cleaned up after themselves, and left us feeling very happy.
Now the room's fantastic. Today, as an example, is a lovely morning, and it's a much more usable room than it was before.
We're sitting out here now. It's relatively cold outside, and this room is considerably warmer than it was, and there is zero noise from the rain that we had last night.
The price was right, and we were very pleased with the result. We now have a room we can use on hot days, cold winter days, and be able to hear each other on those wet, rainy days.
The output from all that is I've now got a stylish new room for the house that I'm using almost every day. For instance, it's 4 degrees outside today, but it's really cosy and comfy in the conservatory. Really couldn't be happier.
This place used to rattle with the wind and the rain on the roof. It is so much quieter, and I'm hopefully this not only adds value to the house, but it's now added a place where we can sit and enjoy.
Now we'll be able to use the room all round. Just want to say thank you to the guys for doing an amazing job, and well done.
I would definitely recommend Conservatory Installations UK due to their professionalism and the ease of use and dealing with from start to finish.
It's a real game changer. So thanks everyone, and hopefully looking forward to using the conservatory a lot more.
It's really good. So thanks guys. You've changed the way that we use our home. And good luck, and I'm more than happy to recommend you to anybody who asks.
I'll give them 5 out of 5 and would definitely recommend them if you have a room like ours was. Thank you for listening.